Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, to another episode of Leo's Workshop. Today, instead of doing more of practical experiment, we're going to delve into the world of theoretical science. We're going to measure the speed of light using some very sophisticated, state-of-the-art instruments, which include this microwave oven, these calipers from Harbor Freight, and these Hershey chocolate bars. In the microwave oven will be waves, microwaves. And they look like this. The peaks, called antinodes, should create hot spots in the chocolate bars. So we're going to take the microwave oven and we're going to put some chocolate in the microwave oven and see if we can find some hot spots. Here we go. I think it might be done. Okay. You can see we've got two hot spots. Let's measure them and see what happens. I have a little hot spot there. Another one a little more prominent there. We're going to measure them pretty close, center to center. I don't know if you can see that. It's about 122.23 millimeters. So we have peak to peak 122.2 millimeters between the waves. So we have 122.2 millimeters. So that's the same as 0.1222 meters. I've turned the microwave around so I can read the label. And this microwave is 2,450 megahertz. The 2,450 megahertz, a megahertz is 1 times 10 to the 6th. So to get speed, we want to multiply our distance, 0.1222 meters, times 2,450. My writing is atrocious, I know, times 10 to the 6th, and that's in cycles per second. And what that's going to give us when I do the multiplication, I've got my giant calculator. So I go 0.1222, and then we got 2,450 times 10 to the 6th, in case you can't see that, and multiply those together. And what it says is that according to our calculations, the speed of light is 200,390,000 meters per second. Now let's see what Google says. And Google says this: 299,792 in a vacuum. We're slightly slower because we're not in a vacuum, but we're pretty darn close. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this has been Leo's workshop for this time. I hope you were impressed. I mean, we measured the speed of light with a microwave oven, a ruler, and some chocolate bars. Till next time, Leo here, over and out.